Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Scotiabank checking and saving account online in 2023. Scotiabank is one of the Canada's largest banks, offering a wide range of financial services. Of course, by following the steps in this tutorial, you'll be able to open a Scotiabank checking and saving account conveniently from the comfort of your home. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply you'll have to type scotiabank.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you will normally be taken into the home screen or main screen website. And of course, from here, you'll have to go and enter the Scotiabank account. So if you did not familiarize yourself with the Scotiabank, or if not know much about the Scotiabank, or you're not used to it, you can always scroll down and read all the information about it. As you can see, you have some links here to follow. So maybe if you're worried, if you are not sure enough, if you want to open like an account on this bank, you can always scroll down and read all the information that you may need about it. You can even find like here some things that may help you. And if you have an account, you can always go and click on sign in to log in into your account. And then, of course, as we said, we will have to go and open a checking account and saving account. So we will start by going to bank accounts here. And as you can see, you will find here in this product, checking accounts, saving accounts, senior bank accounts, student accounts, and e-commerce to Canada accounts. For us, what we cared about is just those two beginnings. So click just at bank accounts. And as you can see here, you'll find like featured accounts. So there's the unlimited package, the preferred package, and the momentum saving account. You can view all the bank accounts or view all the saving accounts. For us, let's just go and open every one of them separately. So as you can see, we have here, this is going to be for the checking accounts. So as you can see here, we have like 6 offers that you can choose from. So there's unlimited package, preferred package, basic plus bank account, student banking advantage plan, and getting their saving program for youth, basic bank accounts. So you can read everything of the package, and whatever package suits you, you can simply go and click as an example, view limited package. Once you do so, as you can see, you'll be able to read more information about it from here. And you'll be able to even to compare all the plans or the accounts from here, like compare all accounts. If you click on it, you'll be able to compare everything from here. But if you like this package, you can simply go and click on open an account. Once you click on it, of course, this is a checking account. You will have to wait a bit until this loads. It should not take a lot of time. So let's just wait, maybe like 5 to 10 seconds, and it should be a light there. And meanwhile, we can simply go to saving account. So as you can see, saving may be different from the checking accounts. Okay, so this is like refreshed or loads. So as you can see, do you currently have any like Scotiabank products? Click on no and click apply as a new customer. Once you do so, of course, you'll have to wait for this load. And as you can see, let's start by confirming a few things. So as you can see, my progress now at the moment is 0%. You'll have to complete it to 100% and you will successfully have your account at Scotiabank. So simply, you'll have to enter your informations, your personal informations, and once you provide your personal information, you will have to complete like an identity verification, then review everything and accept the terms and conditions. As an example, here I'm just going to do like daily banking. I'm just going to click on continue, and I'm just going to do random stuff. But of course, for you, make sure to go and enter everything accurately. So here, make sure to go and enter your credentials, your personal informations. As I said, after that, you'll have to go and complete your verification or identity verification. Then you'll have to review and accept the terms and conditions, and you will wait a bit until your application is being submitted by the Scotiabank. Once you do so, you will receive an email at the email that you entered here. And of course, you will receive that your bank account has been opened and you'll be able to use it, of course, fund it and like access like your online banking and a lot of other stuff. So once you're done, you'll have your checking account. For the saving, as you can see, we have again like 5 plans here that you can read every one of them every features that comes with them. So there is momentum saving account, saving accelerator account, money master saving account, and Scotia US dollar daily interest account, and Scotia euro daily interest saving account. If you don't know what to choose after reading all those features that comes with each plan, you can simply click on help me choose. Of course, this will you'll find this on Check-in also, just didn't talk about it. So you can see you'll have to answer some questions, then they will help you. So what type of saving account you want, as example USD, click on next. And as you can see, you will have to go and even book an appointment if you want to. So main features and perks, competitive foreign exchange rates, no monthly account fees with a 200 US minimum balance, new fee on USD, drafts purchases from this account. So of course you'll be able to see, as an example, if you find like the right account now, you can simply go start over, or you can even compare options. Like I would like to view all options. Here you'll be able always to come back and compare them. So if you choose the account that you like, as an example, I'm just going to choose this one. Once you click on it, you'll find this page with Start Saving Now. You'll find more information about it if you scroll down, so make sure to go and read them all. Then, if you click on Start Saving Now, or you can even click it here on the left or right, sorry, you'll have to go and do the same thing that you did with Check-in. So, do you currently have any Scotiabank products? Click on No, apply as a new customer. But if you have, you can simply go and sign in into it. For me, I'm just going to apply as a new customer. And again, of course, you'll have to what you will be using this account for. So simply go and choose whatever suits you. And of course, you'll have to meet this requirement. So at least 16 years old, a Canadian resident, or you're here to work or study, not opening a joint account, not opening this account for someone else, or okay with electronic documents delivery. So if you agree with this, you'll have to choose and simply click continue. Of course, it's going to be the same as I said on Check-in. So here again, you'll have to go and provide your personal information, then complete the identity verification, then of course review everything before you submit and accept the terms and conditions after you read them, because reading them is very important so you don't have any problem with them in the future. Maybe there's something like in the terms and conditions that you're going to use against you, so make sure to go and read this all. Once you do so, you will have to hit submit, of course. And once you're done, you will have to wait for your application until it's approved, and you will find like an email. You will receive an email in a few days that your account has been opened. And you'll be able again to fund your account whenever you want and even access the online banking options. And once you do so, you'll even be able to like explore additional Scotiabank service. As you can see, you'll find here a lot of features that you can go and explore by your own. So that wraps it all about our tutorial on how to create a Scotiabank check-in and saving account online in 2023. We hope this guide has been helpful and getting you started with Scotiabank bank account. Remember to keep your login credentials secure and stay informed about the Scotiabank latest offering and updates. So thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best with your new Scotiabank checking and saving account. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one. And I will see you in the next video.